So one tidbit I want to share with you guys that I've learned so far in my career journey is don't over-engineer whenever you're prototyping. Boom! Alright, what's good? It's been a minute and I am here. I am working diligently on a few projects, some for work and some for the YouTube channel. I've actually recorded a few videos that I wanted to post on here. I just haven't had like a good schedule for like posting it because I want to establish some sort of cadence. But during my workflow today, I kind of wanted to share like a quick tidbit, especially as a junior designer, and I'm learning a few things that I think only real life experience is gonna teach me. So I took a boot camp with General Assembly, user experience immersive, and we had multiple projects, so we were in and out in a project within a span of maybe 3 weeks to a month tops, and then you're on to the next one, right? One thing I didn't get to experience with that sort of like workflow was how much you shouldn't over-engineer your prototypes. And what I mean by that is don't do too much in terms of like the functionality, because you're still testing using Maze. We had to break down the prototype into tasks. How I like to prototype personally is just have it all built out. If you want to go back, cool. If you want to drop down, cool. If you want to expand the list, cool. If you want to hide things, cool. Like back and forth sort of thing. That's something I'm learning, especially during user testing, is not really necessary. So one tidbit I want to share with you guys that I've learned so far in my career journey is don't over-engineer whenever you're prototyping. And this is going to be dependent on how far you are into user testing, but for us, this is the first round. We're just trying to test out which screens out of 2 screens rather work best.
Are you ready?
Our clients are in the hospitality industry, so there's a lot of hotels, resorts, etc. And a part of what we're trying to figure out is how to create a new user at a resort, for example, and how to give, and say that resort has like 5 locations, and how to give that user permission to 1 location, or how to give that user permission to five locations. Point being is we're trying to kind of like test the path forward where this user is being created, and then this user is selecting the locations / permissions, and that's it. In that scenario, it's really unnecessary to plot going back. It's really unnecessary to plot, oh, if this person like used this drop down, or did they hide this? Did they use this feature? And I found myself having to like backtrack and remove certain like click points when I'm prototyping in Figma in order to make it fit with what we're looking for in Maze.
Capiche? Got it.
I just wanted to give a quick update and share that piece of information because I am learning a lot in this role as a junior designer, and I really want to share that with anybody out there who's kind of in the same space or just looking to get into this industry altogether. So I'll leave it at that. I have a lot of old content I'm going to be posting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.